What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2017 Nissan Sentra. It's probably the same for multiple different years.
If you look, here's your actual arm of it. It makes a U. If you come up underneath the arm, there's a little tab that's right here. You just want to press that tab in like that and then press down on your windshield wipers like that, and your windshield wipers will pretty much come off. But then when you're ready to put your new ones back on, you I can show you right here also what I pressed. Right here is what I actually was pressing up on. I actually want to press up on it like that. So then when you come with your new ones, you just want to kind of want to have it level like that with the windshield wiper. And come in here and you'll see the hook that's inside of this one. You'll have a hook that's inside of here. Then you just kind of want to take this part, stick it over top like that, and pull like that, and your windshield wipers will be on. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2017 Nissan Sentra. Please check out the other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.